the Adventist Lawyers Association has added a powerful yet timely voice to the 2030 discourse. Sadapina mashoko buda panguva ino atikona Thabani Mpofu ari kuuya again achiuya achimira ana Love Madhuku. Panguva ino tiona kuti ma-Adventist lawyers vouya again vachiarticulata vanyatsobudisa pachena kuti these constitutional amendments ari kuzama kuita the ruling party ZANU-PF, they are unlawful, haasi kusevha vagari venyika yeZimbabwe, and they are contradicting the same one as Ziyambi vachiti aiwa these constitutional amendments for the people, but they are excluding the people, so they are totally against the people. Not about subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Thabani Mpofu anendiramira nyachiti that Adventist Lawyers Association is added a powerful yet timely voice to the 2030 discourse. Professionals professing any kind of faith must never prostitute their skill in favor of wrongdoers and do the prejudice of the national sentiment. It is this constituency in conduct that the weak and downtrodden are entitled to expect and justifiably hold the enlightened to. This sober voice must be heeded, even if amplified by us, the noise. Let men and women of faith stand up to political bullies. Let them speak against attempts to destabilize the social contract, and may the motherland flourish and yet prosper. Ndo madevelopments anoita panapa tiona kuti aiwa Thabani Mpofu achimira navagari venyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa panguva ino vanhu vari kuzama kumira nechokwadi, give them the opportunity to speak. Vauya vachitaura against ma-attempts ari kuda kuitwa kudestabilize our own country. Panguva ino achiti let the motherland flourish, kwete kuti kunongoalawiwa kuti this certain group of people ndio inokwanisa kuwana justice, vamwe vose vachitsikirirwa. Pana comment section medu zafunguro aim out kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.